In this video, I will be showing you how to recover the Instagram, all those data of the chats. That is pretty simple and easy. And if you have facing that sort of issue, you are on the right video. So what you have to exactly do is to simply go ahead and click on the more option. And in the more option, go to the setting. So once you're in the setting of your Instagram, what you have to do is to go to the account center. So once you're in the account center, go ahead and click on your information and permissions. So in your information, go ahead and download your information. In your download your information, go ahead and click on download or transfer information. And in here, you can go ahead and click on some of your information. So here, what you guys can do is to go to the messages and click next. So either you can download to this device or transfer the destination. If you want to download to the device that you're currently using, go ahead and then select the range of the time that you want to go with. For example, I'm gonna go and ahead and download all time messages of this account and select the format and then save changes and save the quality and then create a file. So it would take like a few hours till the whole process is done. And then what you have to do is to go ahead and click on the download button. And what you have to do is to re-enter your password for security and purposes. So once you have done that, your file will be downloaded. So this is how you can do it. I hope you find this